My client needed a privacy solution for the windows in her stair landing, but I didn't want to block out the only natural light in this space. I knew that sheer shades or curtains wouldn't give enough privacy, and a lot of other options would block out more light than I wanted. I brainstormed a ton of options for this space and decided on the Barrett zebra shades from 2Pages. They turned out to be the perfect solution. I do all of my own installs for my interior design projects, and I found these shades to be incredibly easy to install. All I had to do was mark the position for the brackets, pre-drill the holes, and screw the brackets into place. After that, the shades just clip into the brackets. This is a great feature because the shades can be taken down easily for cleaning. It took me less than half an hour to install all 3 shades here. You can see in this video how easy it was to install them. The zebra-style shades fit the needs of this project perfectly. You can adjust the position of the stripes to get just the right amount of privacy and light depending on your needs and the time of day. When the stripes are in the closed position, you get total privacy, but a good amount of light still comes through. And when they are in the open position, the texture still gives good privacy and allows a lot of light in. I'm so excited to have found such a beautiful and functional design.